Eureka Forbes presents India's first health conditioner for your family. It eliminates 99% germs in the air to keep your loved ones cool and healthy. Let's see how it works. Forbes health conditioners have multi-layer filters which ensures clean air. Forbes health conditioners have a unique blue fin coating which protects the condenser coil from the damaging effects of humidity and moisture. High-density dust filter removes dirt, dust, pet hair and other physical impurities from the air. The vitamin C filter fills the air with vitamin C, which softens the skin and has therapeutic benefits. The negative ion filter not just purifies the air but keeps it healthy as well. Cold catalyst filter actively destroys the multiplication and growth of bacteria plus fungi that cause infection and also deodorizes the air. Its patented Active Shield technology ensures 99% removal of airborne bacteria, yeast and molds from the air and also decomposes volatile compounds or VOCs. Photocatalytic oxidization is achieved as UV light rays are combined with a titanium oxide TiO2 coated filter. This process creates hydroxyl radicals and superoxide ions, which are highly reactive electrons. Thus, it neutralizes and breaks down organic molecules to release harmless water and carbon dioxide molecules. Thus, the improved air quality enhances the health of the user by reducing the risk of infections. So, bring home a Forbes health conditioner today and give your family cool and healthy air.